Okay, let's go through the installation procedure for Juxtapost. I assume you have downloaded the zip file, unzipped it, and your next step is to start Photoshop. If you're running on Windows, you need to start Photoshop as administrator by right-clicking on the Photoshop icon and choosing Run as Administrator. On a Mac, however, you can start it the usual way. Right, then we go into Photoshop, do File, Scripts, Browse, and go to the unzipped folder. There you'll find install.jsx. You open that, and this window pops up. This is the machine signature you should email to me after you purchased Juxtapost. If you want to run this in demo mode, or if you're waiting for the activation code, you can still run it in demo mode and activate it later. So just click install. That installed it, and it's telling you now where the action file is. It can also load the action file for you. Just click yes. And now you have 10 new buttons. By the way, I'm running in something called button mode. You might have your action palette in this mode. Just select button mode to get buttons here. The difference is when you click on one of these buttons, you will run the corresponding action without having to press run or anything. Alright, let's close Photoshop and Bridge. Start them up again. Photoshop first, and then Bridge. If it's the first time you're installing this, then it will ask you, do you want to load a file called JuxAdd, and just say yes. If you go into preferences for Bridge, you will see this thing JuxAdd. It's one of the startup scripts and needs to be checked. Right, now we go and select a couple of images just to test it. Choose Juxtapost and pick one of the templates. You should drop those images in, but in demo mode these images have been altered on purpose. And this will be removed, of course, when you activate your copy of Juxtapost. So now the images look horrible, of course. So if you, let's say now you purchased Juxtapost and you got your activation code, just click on About, and this is where you type in your activation code. Now it says unlocked. Please restart Photoshop and Bridge. And then we'll start it up again. We test the same 3 images again. That works fine. Let's try another. Right, so that works great, and the next video will show you a little bit more about actually building the collages.